time with the people in bike, yeah, man. Yes, IT camera now, it's a record. The eye. Yeah, man, you turn that big up. Yes, sir. Did they actually touch? They're not touching it. Them not touch and them a go on. So John know the man and just stay away, brother. Share the freaking road. Brother, I have to put down my feelings them because the girls be looking, man. Girls be looking, brother. Think of the best route and take it. Oh, shit. You thought you said gonna be a freaking debris, man. Shit, that was a burst right there. My goodness. Thank you. Can I go through? Of course I can. Taxi boy, what are you doing? I'm not gonna wait. Are you crazy? Okay, Mad Spirit, just calm down. Mad Spirit, just calm down, please. Mad Spirit, stay inside. Don't come out. Thank you, Mad Spirit. We appreciate it. I respond the rain then now. It look like a down crossroad side. Alright, hope so clear. That's all I worry about. Up so clear then me alright. Indeed. Go through. Sound it up, officer. Sound it up. Sound it up, sound it up, sound it up. Don't block the way, officer. Sound it up, sound it up, sound it up. Sound it up, man. Sound it up. Put on the siren, man. Come on. Siren out there, officer. Come on. Woo. Express. Boy, officer, you know, move faster than me right now. way right now. Mama, you look too good for the out there, no, mama. I'm not going to hit you. I'm sorry to frighten you. Oh my god. My god. Green light, yellow light, green light, yellow light, green light, yellow light. Well, excuse you. Calm down, paradise. Are there bottles around that car? What's going on? Bumba, look how that's so clear. What the heck? That's usually don't clear. What go on? Raindrops. What you got there, man? Cock up my foot like I'm the boss. You better go back. Yeah, that's what you better do. Yo, me hit that stoplight there, fret dog. Freaking A, man. Me just creep up here like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mama, that thing is pretty. Damn. I think it's a Jeep. Oh, fudge. What the fudge? Hey, what the? Hey, what's going on today? He might go drive out. He must drive out. Watch it. Forcing me to. Okay, you better stop. That me not like, you know. Steer, dog. Steer. If you are gonna drive out, just commit and drive out. Somebody drive out and stop in the road. Commit and go out. Bad. So right now we are go to Above Rocks. Link up a subscriber. Not too familiar with them corners here, so I'm using a lot of compression instead of brakes because the road wet. I'd rather the engine slow me down than brake dash me away. Them place are far, you know, brother. Yeah. What go on? Eh? The frick? Who the frick are those guys? I don't know who the hell they are. Even supposed to slow down to rot it, car. I don't know it's chopping now. What time I know? It legit is 6:15. I'm a journey from about 6:45. No, from 5:45 me a journey. $15 and 15 hours. 30. Take me half an hour for ride come around here so. Loads is good. Take care, boy. Half an hour for ride all the way around here, so Above Rocks. Them place your far, dog. Them place your far. So I take bird shop away and go back home. I see 2 guys, 3 guys. The corner the deep, you're free. 3 guys approaching, 2 on the left, 1 on the right. Dude, I start to get really paranoid.
solid, these niggas know we be lit. I can never stress over a chick, nah. Staying solid, real niggas on snitch. Need some money to call me a whip, no. Got my style, I ran with it. And then y'all call me whack, but now I'm on track and they say they a fan of it. I be saucy, can't handle it.